Soybeans and other grains starting the week on a slide, and cattle markets seem to follow. Ag Day's Michelle Rook is back with a preview of today's supply-demand report in Markets Now.
Cattle, corn, and soybeans all in negative territory on Monday. Alan Brugler with ANN Economics is back with analysis. Soybeans did not have a good day on Monday, closing in the January below the $11 mark. Is this all about China, and where do we find the next support?
The market's hinting that it's a little skeptical about whether they get the full 12 million tons bought by the end of February, as Secretary Bessent has indicated. We still, you get conflicting reports about how firm the deal is for the Chinese purchases, and obviously some of the things that we're buying, like rare earths as well. The bottom line is the market was rallying on the expectation of China coming into the market. The rally caused some of the other countries to back off on purchases. U.S. prices got non-competitive versus South America again. Depends on where you're putting your tariff dollars and so forth. But the bottom line is I think the funds have pulled some money back out here, and we won't have the commitment of traders data to support that assumption for a while. But technically, you have a head and shoulders top on the January chart. You're still a couple weeks away from options expiration, but it's coming, as are the holidays. Head and shoulders suggest you go to around 1060 January.
We do have the WASDE report coming up this morning. So is there anything there that could change the trajectory of where grains are headed?
Well, I think there's always a possibility that, particularly on the world numbers, that they make some revisions that nobody was looking for. The trade average guesses don't have a very big movement here. And historically, December is not a time when the WASDE report changes a lot.
And cattle mostly lower on Monday. We just hit some retracement levels there, or some resistance.
Yeah, we've had a very stout rally in cattle since right ahead of the Thanksgiving holiday. Hit some retracements today. If we can punch through that area, there's a 2/3 speed line on the December chart up around 229 or so.
Thanks so much, Alan Brugler with ANN Economics. That is Markets Now.